Hey guys, so I'm going to show you really quick a little tutorial on Seesaw really quick. Sorry for all that clicking. Basically, when you open it up, you're going to be looking at a screen that looks something like this. The first thing I'm going to show you is about their login codes. So just from what I've been seeing, if you do get home learning codes and you do the print codes button, you're going to see that each child has a different code. I did the download code and it came out weird, so I don't know. But each child has their own little learning code and a QR code. So if you look at Amira's learning code, she'll go in, she'll choose I'm a student, and she can either scan this, which I think is going to be difficult from home, or she can put in this little code. Each kid has a different code. So it might be a little time consuming, but that's the code that we want to give each child. If you go in and you click just their names too, under manage students. So if I go to the little wrench and I go to manage students and I click on one of them, you can see that their home learning code is at the bottom. And when you do get home learning code, it will bring you to the little screen where it shows you their learning code. So that's how to get those home learning codes. I'm probably going to just go through and give everybody their own one individually. I know it will be a pain, but once it's done, it's done. So the other thing I wanted to show you was basically how to do stuff. So I've been clicking around, and I know that I am not an expert at this by any means. But first things first, for your class settings, you can put what different name you want. You can add your different theme. I don't know, I just picked like this gray color. You can pick a class icon if you want. So like if I picked this, then it would change up here to my little class icon. The way that the students sign in, I'm doing the class code for shared devices. Just a couple people that I've talked to are doing that. What else? Students likes and comments. I'm disabling it right now. The likes and comments because I don't want that happening, but I also enable student comments, but they need approval is what I'm doing. I don't really know what all these things are yet, but invite families. You can I'm going to take all my dojos and do it through here. All the stuff I have on dojos for them. So setting it up is going to take a little while, but once it's set up, I think it will be worth it. So assignments. So here's what I was thinking. If you go up to this add button, you can do assign an activity. So when you assign an activity, and this was just me playing around with some, that's why they're here, you can create a new activity. So let's say we decide the week ahead which math worksheets that we want the kids to do. So I'm going to type in math worksheet. You can give them instructions. So like do this page. You can also add voice instructions. Like do this page, please. Thanks. Have a great day. And then the kids that are having trouble reading will actually be able to, oops, I didn't press stop. The kids that actually have trouble reading will be able to listen to the voice instructions. Multimedia examples, I haven't clicked on that yet, but I'm guessing that would be like just like pictures and stuff. But what the cool part is if you go to add student template, I'm going to upload a picture of the math page that we're going to do for the week. So let's see. Select from my computer. And I took a screenshot of just a random math page. Okay. And I will share that. And now you can see that this is one of the math page from the district packet for the week. So I'm just going to press the green the green checkbox. And so that's attached. And now I can press save. So now I've saved the activity. I can now assign the activity to my entire class. So you click on the little assign button. Come on, computer. There we go. assign, and I would click that I'm going to assign it to my second grade class. And I'm going to assign, and then it's all assigned. So when the kids log in, what's pretty cool, I don't know why my computer is being weird right now. Okay. So when the kids log in to do that math worksheet, they can do it right online. So I'm going to go to my little sample student. Let's see. How do I get to my sample student? Aha. I think I have to sign in under my sample student. So I will show you. I'm going to log out and I'm going to sign in. I will be right back. I'm going to sign in as one of the kids. Okay. So I'm going to sign out as me as a teacher. And I'm actually going to go into where it says I'm a student. And I'm going to, there's a text code that I got. So it's the little home learning code that I just showed you guys. So I'm going to sign in. I made myself a student, so you'll be able to see. So now I can see all the activities. And there's like way more activities here because I've just been playing around with it. But I can click on the math worksheet that says do this page. And now the math worksheet comes up. And as a student, I can go and I can circle all my answers in whichever tool I want. I could also add text and be like, I don't get it. I could record my voice. I could send a picture of myself. So I really think it's cool. There's like all these different things that they can do. And then they click the assignment and now it's waiting for teacher approval. So if they click on their little activities button, it shows them everything that they have to do. I had another one that was what's your favorite subject? And they could just like draw or send a video or a link or a note or however they want to give it to me. I also tried the inbox. I sent a class announcement that just said, welcome to Seesaw. And I also, like if you look under the notifications, it says they added an item to their journal. Each kid has a journal. So you could write them a separate note, like you're not doing any work, please do some work, or wow, you're doing a great job. And they can see it and they can see everybody that got the same note and they can comment on it too. And I believe when they comment that their friends can also see the comments as well. So that's kind of cool. So now let me just go back into the teachers one really quick. So sign out as a kid. Back to I'm a teacher. Sorry if this isn't a good tutorial, but I have Gwen in like this big pack and play thing that we're supposed to use for the beach, and that's what she's in right now. So I'm going to go to my activities, and it says one response waiting for teacher approval. So if I reviewed that, it's from Carrie. And I would review it and I could see how they did to the page. I can like it. I can make comments and be like, you are wrong, blah, blah, blah. I could even just like say it in my own, I know. I could even just say it in my own words and then you approve the post and it becomes part of their portfolio, which is kind of cool. So like I could go and look at all the stuff that one student has done, which I think is kind of neat. I'm going to go out and delete these activities because that's what I'm going to do. So over here too, you can schedule stuff. You can archive stuff. This is the journal. This is the thing that I don't really like get. I don't know what the journal really does. I have to look at that more closely. But there's a bunch of stuff that we can do. So I'm super psyched. And I think our team's going to be really good at it. And I'll see you guys at 4. Bye.